Hello everyone and welcome back to the course. In the previous lesson, we had set up the camera controller and handling the scrolling, and in this lesson we will begin creating our collectible coins. So we're going to double click, create an active, hit OK, and just select it anywhere for now. We're going to rename it. We're going to call it OBJ coin, hit OK. Let's go ahead and double click into it. We're going to open our coin asset and hit open, and we'll hit OK. Now, with this object, I want to make it similar to the object enemy here that we have the rotation going. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go into our code editor and we're going to say always set the scale and angle, set the angle to its current angle, and we're going to say +2, just to give it a little bit of an effect. And we'll hit play, and we can see it's rotating there, and that looks pretty good. I don't like the background color against it though, so let's go ahead and change that. So in order to change the background color, go ahead and select your frame, and in the properties, in the settings properties, what we're going to do is see where it says background color. We're going to click on that, and I'm just going to make it a dark gray color. Now if we hit play, we can see that nice little white outline around our coin. That looks pretty good. There is a little dot here around our saw, so let's go ahead and fix that. Let's go in there. It looked like it was at the bottom corner here. So let me just grab this side. We need to scroll down a little bit. And we need to go to the left. Let me actually zoom out just a little bit. See if we can get it there. There it is. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and select our selection tool. Just kind of highlight it and hit delete. Now it gives you the alpha. We're not going to worry about the alpha currently. We'll go into what that is later on. Let's go ahead and hit OK. And now when we hit play, yeah, it should be gone. Yeah, that looks good. And so now our coin is there. We can't collect it yet. So what we want to do is go back into our code editor, and we're going to add a new condition. And what we're going to say is at the start of frame, I'm going to drag this up. Since this is at the start of the frame, let's actually go up to the very top. Usually it goes start of frame, and then right below that you have an always. But in our start of frame, we're going to come under here to the little joystick for the player one. We're going to right click on it, and underscore, we're going to set score to 0. And we'll hit OK. Now what we want to do is we want to say when there's a collision with our player and the object coin, we're going to first go to the score. We're going to add to the score. We're going to add 1, hit OK, and then underneath the coin object, we're going to simply destroy it, which will delete the coin. So let's go ahead and go back to our frame editor. We're going to drag this down a little bit just so we can make sure that we can hit it. We'll hit play. Saw's coming right at me. Let me see if I can jump over this. There we go. And now when we hit it, we can destroy it. But we're not seeing anything happen with our score. We're not seeing it go up, but it is being stored. But that's what we're going to do in our next lesson. We'll be creating the UI. So that will allow us to display what our score is on the screen. So with that, I'll see you in the next lesson.